Hi friends, I'm sure this video will find you in good health and safe. In army we say, the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. शांति के समय में आप जितना पसीना बहाते हैं, उतना ही कम खून बहेगा लड़ाई के समय में। तो मुझे लगता है कि एक अच्छा समय है। इस समय का really we can use it very wisely. So this is the time when you can invest in building up relationship, in building up bonding with parents, elders, and you can give quality time to your spouse and to your kids. Along with that, this is a beautiful time to enhance your knowledge, because knowledge is something that is going to take you forward in days to come. So today I am going to cover a topic on the automotive technologies that can really change the way we drive our cars. Some of these technologies are already there in some other countries, but in India they are yet to come. So I'll talk about these technologies, and I expect that you all will take interest and build upon your knowledge base and skills. So happy learning, and let's move forward. So friends, another a big change that happened across the globe as when it comes to technology along with computer is mobile phones. Mobiles actually changed how we communicated. The whole concept of communication was changed. So mobile of yesterday, if you remember, had only two features, that is to make or receive calls or to send and receive text messages. But if you look at the phone that you are carrying in your pocket, what all features does it have? It's just like a mini computer, or you can say it is a palm top actually. You can make calls, you can send text messages, you can send WhatsApp message, video calling, conference calling, emails, you can listen to music, watch movies, take pics and make videos. You can navigate, you can get work done by voice command. Just by your voice command, you can get the things done and whatnot. Right? Mobiles changed how we communicate, and cars actually changed how we commute from one place to another. The way mobile has been changing, the cars too have been changing. A lot of changes have happened since the first automobile was built, but still a lot more to come. Every day something new is happening. So we'll be talking about what are the changes that are happening in automotive industry which are going to change the way we drive our cars. A lot of talk is happening on electric vehicles, so I'll not be covering EVs, but I'll cover various other features that will actually change the way we drive car. I believe in asking questions, and I believe that questions are the answers. I've learned things by asking questions. So I'll again ask what if to know about what new technologies are going to come that are going to change the way we drive our cars. So what if two cars could communicate with each other? They could talk to each other like we humans do. What if the cars could find parking space and park in tightest of spots? What if we did not have to carry the bulky keys in our pocket? A fingerprint itself is sufficient to open the doors and start the car. What if your windscreen becomes your navigation panel? All the information is right in front of you while you're driving. So you don't need to really take your focus off the road. What if the seat understands and adjusts itself to your body contours? What if the car can drive itself and take you safely to destination? You just keep reading your newspaper or book or working on your iPad. What if the car monitors the health or alertness of the driver and it wakes you up? What if the car takes air from environment and uses it as fuel? Yes, why not? What if the car is able to diagnose its fault and repair it by itself, the mechanic inside? What if the car is able to communicate with hospital or on-road support or other infrastructural facilities available? What if I could design my own car? Wow. So you'll find all different types of car on road. Every car is unique car, made as per the personality of the owner or the driver. What if my car understood my gestures or oblique voice? So I drive my car with no touch interface. With the pandemic of corona, we have become really, we are afraid of touching things. So the answer to a lot of my what if comes from the 7 features that I'm going to talk about in next 7 days. So today this has been just an introductory session, and tomorrow onwards I'll be covering all the important topics, one on each day. So first topic that I'll be covering is autonomous vehicle, driverless cars. Second will be biometric vehicle access. Your fingerprint is the key. Your active glass display or head-up display. Active health monitoring system, which monitors your health and alertness and warns you and even informs the hospital also. Car mechanic inside repairs itself. Custom designed cars and zero touch interface. So these are the 7 topics that I'll be covering in next 7 days. But my dear friends, this will totally depend upon your interest in learning. So friends, I'll cover each feature in detail after seeing your interest in learning or knowing more about these topics. And even if you want me to cover some other topics also, please type in the comment box after seeing this video. And if you are interested in learning, do text me a yes in comment box so that I get to know that yes, you are really interested in learning more, and I keep posting my videos on these topics, the 7 topics that I have talked about. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Namaste Zindagi, for future videos. So friends, I'd like to say thank you for being with me and going through this introductory session. Do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to call me, if you have any questions that you want to discuss personally, you can call me or WhatsApp me. It will be better if you WhatsApp me on 9889-365-777. And when you are sending a message, don't forget to write your name and place. That will help me in recognizing you, because every day we have been getting in touch with 20-25 people across India. So it really becomes difficult to remember everybody's name. So please write down your name and place. And thank you once again. Please stay home, stay safe, and God bless you all.